don't throw away your drone shots just yet. So we've all been in that situation where we're flying our drone, being nice and precise, and then you accidentally slip and you ruin the shot. Well, not quite. Today I'm going to show you how to salvage those kind of shots. First, open up your drone shot in Premiere Pro. Trim the clip to the length that you want it to be. Then under Effects, search for Warp Stabilizer. Apply the effect and click Analyze. Now once this is completed, you can see that it actually smooths out those jerky movements. And if it's having a hard time smoothing it out, then try doing a detailed analysis. Now this does work for a lot of shots, but sometimes when you do this, the drone shot looks absolutely horrendous. So don't just start getting lazy with the drone. Try actually get the shot in the camera, but this is more like a last minute resort. I've been using this quick tip for a few years now, and it's actually saved my ass a couple of times on client shoots. So guys, if you did enjoy this one, consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay creative and just be you.